We are going to discuss words that describe people, places, and things. Our learning target states, I can identify and use adjectives. Words that describe people, places, and things are called adjectives. Let's look at some examples. Looks red. Red is an adjective describing how something looks. Smells sweet. Sweet is an adjective. Feels damp. Damp is an adjective. Adjectives can show what someone or something is like or how they act. Lynn is always polite. Polite is an adjective describing how Lynn acts. Let's look at some more examples. Using our sense of sight, adjectives that could describe would be shiny or thin. Using our sense of hearing, noisy, squeaky. Our sense of smell, fresh, rotten. The sense of touch, fuzzy or sharp. The sense of taste, sour or juicy. And describing how something acts or what they're like could be sleepy or excited.